Hey guys, you might already know MWC has been cancelled, because of which many brands will be hosting separate launch events and online launch events, and Realme will be doing the same, that is online event on February 24th where it's gonna launch Realme X50 Pro 5G. We have got some leaks as well as some promotional images shared by Realme itself relating to this device, which I'm gonna share with you guys today. So without further ado, let's begin. The latest teaser image was posted by Realme Europe account on Twitter, which gave a glimpse at the Realme X50 Pro 5G and highlights the presence of the 90Hz Super AMOLED full screen. This being a Pro model, it's no surprise that it will feature an AMOLED display and higher refresh rate, although it's just 90Hz and not 120Hz like Samsung and OnePlus. We don't know the actual size of the display, but an outline of the phone that the company shared seems to show dual punch holes for two selfie cameras on the top left of the Full HD Plus screen. Another teaser posted by Realme Europe Twitter account revealed 65W Super Dart Charge fast charging technology on the Realme X50 Pro 5G. This won't be a new upgrade to the existing VOOC and Super VOOC charging technology that Realme and its original parent company Oppo have deployed on their smartphones so far. Realme India CEO Madhav Sheth also took a dig at Xiaomi by exhibiting the 65W technology as a superior option against the 50W fast charging available on the Mi 10 Pro. Realme has also confirmed the fact that X50 Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset with support for dual mode 5G, that is NSA and SA, and is going to come with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and runs Android 10 with the new Realme UI on top. The device with code number RMX2071 already appeared on Antutu and reached the impressive score of 5,74,985. Now we believe this is the Realme X50 Pro 5G, and if that's correct, then the phone will use LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. Both LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage in connection with Snapdragon 865 will be much faster. You will know this if you have seen Mi 10 series launch event, because they stressed a lot on this LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. And finally, it will also get Wi-Fi 6 according to leaks. So for now, that's the information we have, but I will keep you updated when more information appears. Until then, subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. Peace out.